it's becoming known at this point.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me,
If that's not God,
I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
hey guys, welcome back to
This is editing Adiah. I'm sorry for the quality of the. There was no light, and my room doesn't get a lot of sun, so yeah. Alright, continue watching now. Subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye.
another vlog. Okay, so I'm going out now. I'm going to see my friend. Today is June 12th. I'm taking my laptop with me because I just want to do some work while I'm there. It's weekend, only time I have to edit my videos. So yeah, yesterday was one of my boss's birthday BGM. So I vlogged a little bit, so I will roll the clips right now. It was really fun. The man is such a good man, and having people around him, the kind of people that he has at work, is just, it's amazing. Okay, we pray for things like that as we grow older, you know. And there was like games, and we tried imitating him, and there was food, there were drinks, and there was cake. Okay, so yeah, I had so much cake. I'm even taking some cake to my friend's house for him. While I'm there, I also want to see if I can get glue for my ring light, because when I went to pick up my ring light from Oshodi, it came back broken. Yeah, let's go.
야구 재밌는 경기가 있어서 야구 좋아하세요? 좋아하죠. 여기랑 관련 더
Hey guys, so it's much later now, and I want to fix my. I just got back from my friend's place, and I want to fix my ring light. I told you guys earlier weekday that it got broken on its way from Oshodi. I don't know. Anyway, so a friend of mine recommended a glue that I did. Apparently it's this one, but coincidentally, when I went to my friend's day, he had it. So I was like, if that's not God, I do not know what is. Okay, so I didn't have to buy it, so I'm just going to fix my ring light now. I'm done. I'll call and ask my friend how long I should leave it for before I use it. But I'll try using it as soon as I can. Just hold so I can go back to filming and sit down videos. But I'm really tired now, so I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day, watching a movie or something. Catch you guys. Oh no, that's not true. Don't take out my braids. I don't know if I'll do that tonight or tomorrow. Let's do tomorrow. And I can wash it. I'll do it tomorrow. Alright, bye guys. Hey guys, good morning. So I have my ring light there. It's been drying all night, so I just want to see, assemble it, and I don't know, hope it works. So yeah. we're good to go. Yeah, this was the place that got broken. Here, it got detached. So, everything looks fine. Honestly, I'm so happy. This thing made me really cry when it broke. Well, I hope it's okay. So, I look scruffy right now, but I'm about to get ready to start filming. Hey guys, good morning. It's the next week, so it's Monday, and all I did last night was take out my braids. I started watching braids again. I'm so pissed that it's not new. It's that's the point. So I took out my braids last night, and I just did balcony knots. I've noted. So I've been editing the vlog from. I've just been editing over the day. Hey guys, like I don't know. I've been so cold, and I'm having catarrh. Why am I having catarrh? Let me put you guys down. You guys, we need to talk. There's fire on the mountain. Can someone tell me why Austin? Don't say no shit. Can someone tell me why he's cheating on Catherine? Like, is there no true love between? Am I going to pay no? Like, I need to know this thing. I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw a video and I clicked. Austin is cheating on Catherine. I'm going to become a nun at this point because I followed Ace family for close to 4 years. Even though I'm not staying when Ella was a baby, chicken. But I'm just like, oh my god, why? And then the girl was like, you know, like, I guess like people can be sketchy about all these things, but honestly, I don't think the girl is lying. Like, I don't think she's lying. Because, like, it's just, I'm going to leave a link to the video in the description. So, you guys can check it out. But I'm telling you, she's not lying. She's not lying. I'm serious. She's not lying. I'm going to be a nun. That sounds kind of like boys. Or do I? I don't get it. I mean, the first time he cheated on her, I was like, because it wasn't really like, to me, I didn't really believe it. It was like, it seems kind of sketchy. But you guys, this girl has receipts. Like, I'm going to the convent. Because at this point, the streets, everywhere is the streets now. The whole world is the streets. Because I'm pained. Okay, I don't even know why I'm carrying this on my head. I really thought that they were like, obviously not perfect, because like, nobody's perfect. But like, I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Actually, nigga, I'm a bit of a nigga, okay? On the lighter note, after watching that video, I watched FT, I think that's her video. She finally got monetized. Guys, that girl is so interesting to watch. Why am I here? I'm making these videos like some of my favorite YouTubers to watch right now. I like Bratsy. She's a UK based YouTuber. Bella, of course. What else am I watching? Oh my god, Valerie. I stopped watching her vlogs for a while. I don't know why. I go back again. I really like Ghana. Oh, quickly Stephanie. Or quick Stephanie. I just started watching her recently too, and okay, I like her. She has really nice content, and I don't know, they're just very funny. I mean, not funny, just fun. Okay, I'm just trying to make myself feel better today because I'm pissed, okay? And this is the end of today's vlog. Because like, I need new energy for the next one, okay? So yeah.